Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is World Geography Set 5. Question number 1. The lowermost and the oldest epoch of the Tertiary period of geologic time is Option A. Pliocene. Option B. Paleozoic. Option C. Holocene. Option D. Paleocene. The correct answer is Option D. Paleocene. The Paleocene or Paleocene, the Old Recent, is a geological epoch that lasted from about 66 to 56 million years ago. It is the first epoch of the Paleogene period in the modern Cenozoic era. Question number 2. The minor planets revolving between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars are called Option A. Novas. Option B. Comets. Option C. Meteors. Option D. Asteroids. The correct answer is Option D. Asteroids. The asteroid belt is the circumstellar disk in the solar system located roughly between the orbits of the planets Mars and Jupiter. It is occupied by numerous irregularly shaped bodies called asteroids or minor planets. Question number 3. The meridian passing through London is called the Option A. Equator. Option B. Tropic of Cancer. Option C. Prime meridian of 0 degrees meridian. Option D. Tropic of Capricorn. The correct answer is Option C. Prime meridian of 0 degrees meridian. Greenwich meridian or prime meridian is the meridian passing through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in London. Question number 4. The most recent era of the geological time scale is Option A. Mesozoic. Option B. Cenozoic. Option C. Triassic. Option D. Paleocene. The correct answer is Option B. Cenozoic. The names of the eras in the Phanerozoic Aeon, the Aeon of visible life, are the Cenozoic, recent life, Mesozoic, middle life, and Paleozoic, ancient life. The further subdivision of the eras into 12 periods is based on identifiable but less profound changes in life forms. Question number 5. The low heating capacity of which of the types of coal reduces its value as an industrial fuel? Option A. Anthracite. Option B. Bituminous coal. Option C. Lignite. Option D. Peat. The correct answer is Option D. Peat. Peat is a heterogeneous mixture of more or less decomposed plant, humus, material that has accumulated in a water-saturated environment and in the absence of oxygen. Its structure ranges from more or less decomposed plant remains to a fine amorphic, colloidal mass. Question number 6. The mean basin area of successive ordered streams formed a linear relationship when graphed. This statement is given by Option A. Morphometric analysis. Option B. Law of drainage composition. Option C. Law of basin areas. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Law of basin areas. Question number 7. The Mistral is Option A. Very cold wind, which blows down from the plateau of central France. Option B. Swift, dry, cold northerly wind that blows down from the Western Alps and the plateau of southern France and out over the Mediterranean. Option C. Wind that blows for 100 days a year and may cause extensive frost damage to plants. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option D. All of the above. The Mistral is a strong, cold, northwesterly wind that blows from southern France into the Gulf of Lion in the northern Mediterranean. It produces sustained winds often exceeding 66 km per hour, 41 miles per hour, sometimes reaching 185 km per hour, 115 miles per hour. Question number 8. The main period of Mesozoic era include Option A. Triassic period and Cretaceous period. Option B. Jurassic period and Triassic period. Option C. Triassic period, Jurassic period and Cretaceous period. Option D. Cretaceous period and Jurassic period. The correct answer is Option C. Triassic period, Jurassic period and Cretaceous period. The Mesozoic era is the age of the dinosaurs and lasted almost 180 million years from approximately 250 to 65 million years ago. This era includes three well-known periods called the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. A mass extinction marked the beginning and end of the Mesozoic era. Question number 9. The main percentage of the volume of water in the hydrosphere is in Option A. Oceans and seas. Option B. Groundwater, rivers and streams. Option C. Glaciers and ice sheets. Option D. Freshwater lakes and water vapors. The correct answer is Option A. Oceans and seas. The main percentage of the volume of water in the hydrosphere is in oceans and seas. Question number 10. The main tributaries of Indus river system are Option A. The Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi. Option B. The Byas, the Satluj. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. In the plains, its left bank tributaries, the Panjand, which itself has 5 major tributaries, namely the Chenab, Jhelum, the Ravi, the Byas, and the Satluj. Its principal right bank tributaries are the Shyok, the Gilgit, the Kabul, the Gomal, and the Kurram. Question number 11. The model which explains the various types of igneous rocks. Option A. Rock cycle. Option B. Bowen's reaction series. Option C. Both are similar terms. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option B. Bowen's reaction series. Within the field of geology, Bowen's reaction series is the work of the petrologist Norman L. Bowen, who summarized, based on experiments and observations of natural rocks, the crystallization sequence of typical basaltic magma undergoing fractional crystallization. Question number 12. The mean surface temperature of the Sun is estimated to be of the order of Option A. 5,500 degrees Celsius. Option B. 4,000 degrees Celsius. Option C. 2,000 degrees Celsius. Option D. 1,000 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is Option A. 5,500 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the surface of the Sun is about 10,000 Fahrenheit, 5,600 Celsius. The temperature rises from the surface of the Sun inward towards the very hot center of the Sun, where it reaches about 2 crore 70 lakh Fahrenheit, 1 crore 50 lakh Celsius. Question number 13. The major motion of the planet Earth includes Option A. Rotation. Option B. Revolution. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Any of these depending upon the question under construction. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. Earth spins around its axis, just as a top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits, or revolves around the Sun. This movement is called revolution. Question number 14. The main types of air mass include maritime tropical Mount Maritime Polar MP Maritime Arctic Ma Continental Polar CP. Option A. All of the above. Option B. I, 3, 4. Option C. I, 4. Option D. 1, 2. The correct answer is Option A. All of the above. Types of air masses. Continental polar, cold and dry air. Forms on land. Canada, Washington. Continental tropical, hot and dry air. Forms on land. Maritime tropical. Forms over water. Hot moist air. Maritime polar. Forms over water. Cold moist air. Maritime equals ocean, moist/humid air. Continental equals land, dry air. Polar equals cold. Tropical equals warm/hot. Question number 15. The most recent and logical concept regarding the origin of ocean basins and continents is that of Option A. Continental data. Option B. Conventional current. Option C. Plate tectonic. Option D. Cooling process. The correct answer is Option A. Continental data. Over millions of years, ocean basins open and close, continents move and change shape, and mountains are pushed up and eroded away. Such dynamic processes continually reshape the surface of the Earth. The movement of rigid plates on the Earth's surface, known as plate tectonics, is the cause of these changes. Question number 16. The major countries of Middle East are Option A. Iran, Iraq, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. Option B. UAE, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon, Yemen. Option C. Israel, Turkey, Cyprus, Afghanistan. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option D. All of the above. The Arab world consists of 22 countries in the Middle East and North Africa: Algeria, Bahrain, the Comoros Islands, Djibouti, Egypt, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Libya, Morocco, Mauritania, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, Tunisia, the United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. Question number 17. The most densely populated country of Africa is Option A. Mauritius. Option B. Rwanda. Option C. Burundi. Option D. Sierra Leone. The correct answer is Option A. Mauritius. Mauritius, officially the Republic of Mauritius, is an island nation in the Indian Ocean about 2,000 kilometers off the southeast coast of the African continent. Mauritius is a fascinating, world-in-one-island slice of paradise. Its very name conjures up images of tropical luxury and stupendous extravagance. Question number 18. Which of the following is an inland sea? Option A. Caribbean Sea. Option B. Caspian Sea. Option C. Red Sea. Option D. Yellow Sea. The correct answer is Option B. Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water, variously classed as the world's largest lake or a full-fledged sea. It is an endaic basin, a basin without outflows, located between Europe and Asia, to the east of the Caucasus Mountains and to the west of the broad steppe of Central Asia. Question number 19. The most salty sea in the world is: Option A, Red Sea. Option B, Dead Sea. Option C, Arabian Sea. Option D, Mediterranean Sea. The correct answer is Option B, Dead Sea. With 33.7% salinity, the Dead Sea is one of the world's saltiest bodies of water. Although Lake Assal, Djibouti, Garabug Jakol and some hypersaline lakes of the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica, such as Tonwan Pond, have reported higher salinities. Question number 20. The most densely populated regions in the world are: Option A, the monsoon climatic regions. Option B, the equatorial regions. Option C, the hot desert climatic regions. Option D, the summer climatic regions. The correct answer is Option A, the monsoon climatic regions. Due to the favorable conditions offered by tropical monsoon climate, there is dense population in these regions. The tropical monsoon climate experiences abundant rainfall like that of the tropical rainforest climate, but it is concentrated in the high sun season. Being located near the equator, the tropical monsoon climate experiences warm temperatures throughout the year. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.